Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Chai Color Creations. Thanks for watching. Today I wanted to share with you an acrylic pour that I did that had some pretty fantastic results. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how I created this piece. I'm going to show you the colors that I used, how I poured the paints, and how I manipulated the canvas to finally create the results that you see. Let me know what you think. It kind of reminds me of looking out an airplane window, looking down at the ocean and seeing some crashing waves. What do you think it looks like to you? Comment in the section below. And of course, if you like what you see, please hit the like button. And of course, if you want some more content from my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Have a good one.